Different types of push-ups and the muscles they work. Gone are the days of the traditional military push-up that strikes fear in many individual exercisers' hearts. As well they should, as the archaic days of straightforward push-ups are definitely a thing of the past. With technology taken off at record-setting speeds, so is the physical fitness world when it comes to breaking the rules for non-traditional exercise routines, and one of those big rules being broken each and every day is the push-up. No other exercise routine has had so much attention given to it as the reigning king of strengthening and weight loss, the common push-up. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. Many variations to the casual push-up. Many different types of push-ups available, and see how these are targeted towards certain areas of the body and how they really are paying off in big ways. The first improvised push-up we will be discussing is called the dumbbell push-up. In this push-up, all you have to do is set 2 dumbbells on the floor, approximately where you usually put your palms, and begin to do a traditional push-up. You'll notice immediately the added 4 inches, which is the distance between the push-up rod and the floor, has added so much to the traditional push-up, it seems like doing 2 push-ups at once. Dumbbell push-up, great muscle burner. The added height is akin to an incline push-up, yet without the hassle of being on a levitation bar machine. This dumbbell push-up is great for beginners to intermediate trainers and can be varied with your knees on the floor if you are not at the point to have a standard push-up or need to work slowly into the program. Regardless of how you do the push-up with the dumbbell extensions, you will see an improvement and a burning in all your back muscles and of course your biceps and triceps. Swiss ball push-up. The next new and alternative push-up that will be spoken of is referred to as the Swiss ball push-up. In this Swedish variation of the push-up, you will require a bit of space, such as a bedroom floor, clear of the clothes of course. Place your hands on the floor in a regular push-up position, then position your legs on top of the Swiss ball. The shins should be on the top of the ball, placed slightly to the side so that you can use them to maintain both your balance and your positioning. While maintaining your balance, do a regular push-up and you will find that the Swiss ball will shift around as you are doing exercise. You will be forced to move your body in time and tune with the Swiss ball, and in order that you keep your legs on top of that, and this will develop great abdominal as well as bicep strength. 2 improved push-up variations. With those 2 new and improved variations of the standard push-up, you'll feel muscles being burned and worked out that you didn't even know you had. That's the great thing about new and improved exercises, especially ones that improve the classical ones that we're so used to. The discovery of new exercises, especially the different types of push-ups and the muscles they work, is a new world to you, and one that should be impounded upon with excitement and a positive outlook that you will lose the weight and build muscles upon muscles. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.